Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about tuples. So a tuple is like the list we mentioned before, but it's a little bit different. The values in the tuple are absolute. So for example, a car, and we're going to put value in there. 90, 23, and 45. Let's print it out. Print car. When we run it, it will show the value of the car. Yeah, that's a tuple. So if we want to change a certain value in a tuple, like for example, if we want to change 23, it's in the 1 position, and let's change it to 1 and run it. As you can see, we can run it because in a tuple, the brackets must not be round, it must be a square bracket. And run it, and it's changed. So there's a difference between tuple and list, the brackets. Next, we're going to talk about define. So let's write def, which means define, and say hi. And we need to put a bracket there. So you will see that it will leave a little space there because whatever we write on the line 3 and 4 is inside the define. So it leaves a space. Let's print out hello user. So the hello user is in define, inside define. So if you wrote say hi, it will print out hello user. Say hi and run it, it will print out hello user. And this is a debugging function. To debug, you need to save the program first. So let's save it as save, and we can finally debug it. Debug means that it will show you how the function works. For example, the define function, how it works step by step. So, okay, say hi. That's how the program works. Okay, so let's print out something in between. For example, top, and at the bottom, print bottom. And if you run it, the hello user value will be between top and bottom because we wrote in that order. Print top, say hi, which is hello user, and finally bottom. So if you want to include a name, like say hi, the user like put a name, for example, Jack, and run it. So it will show top, hello Jack, and finally bottom. So you want to say hi and John and run it, it will print out just like that. Hello Jack and hello John. Okay, so let's put another value in the define. So let's combine hello plus name and he is plus age. So we will include the value age and the string years old. So in the define function, we will include another value named and age. Run it. We still can't because the value of age is required in the say hi. So the name is Jack and the age is let's say 9. And for the second one, the name is John and the age is 20. Run it, and as you can see, hello Jack, and oh, we forgot a space there. Hello Jack, and he is 9 years old. Hello John, and he is 20 years old. If you don't want the open and close one, you have to put string in your age, because the numbers will be interpreted as strings. So you need to put string on the age. Only by that it can be run, or else it will show an error. So you need to be reminded of that. And yeah, that's all. Alright, next we're going to return function. So return function basically means that the return values into the function from the function. So let's say def cube num. Let's cube a number. So cube means that number multiplied by number also multiplying by number. That's a cube. And you need to be aware that the cube is in the defined function. So let's say cube 4, print it and run it. It will just show none because it hasn't been returned yet. It isn't in the return function. So what we need to do is to return the function and run it. So cube of 4 is 64 and cube of 3 is 27. So we get the result and print. Beware that it's in the defined function, hello, and the print of hello did nothing because it isn't returned yet. So we can debug it and see what is the problem. So return 3, 3, and 3 is 27. So we just run straight to the cube of 3 and skip the hello. We can also write the result like equals the cube of 4 and print results. So when we run it, it will be 64. So that's another way to write it. Result and print it back.